I am going to show you how to add 2 strands of crystals or rhinestones or 2 ribbons to a 3-strand braid. So I'll be using my 9-core braids braiding cap where we have yellow, orange, red, and pink. But because it's only a 3-strand braid, I am going to remove pink. And let's just quickly go through a 3-strand braid. I'm going to start with yellow. A 3-strand braid is when you go in the middle from above. So yellow is going to go in the middle above orange, red is going to go in the middle above yellow, orange above red, yellow over orange, red over yellow. Always go in the middle from above. Now to add 2 strands, I will be using my pink. I am going to grab 4 strands of yarn to represent my 2 strands. So my 4 strands of yarn will be 2 for 1 strand each. I'm going to place pink right between orange and red, coming from behind. So I'm going to start with yellow. Yellow is going to go into the middle. The way the 2 strands of pink, which are 2 strands of yarn each, one is going to go above yellow and one is going to go below yellow. So they're going to split, one above, one below. Now it's red's turn to go in the middle. Red goes in the middle, and what's going to happen is the strand in the back is going to come forward and the strand in the front is going to go to the back. And they're both going to go around red. Orange is next. Orange is going to go in the middle. The back strand of pink is going to come forward and the strand of pink that was in the front is going to go to the back, going around orange. So the strands are engulfing the yellow, red, and orange strands as they go in the middle. So yellow is going to go in the middle next. Pink is going to engulf it by having back pink go forward and front pink go back. Red is now going to go in the middle. Pink from the back is going to come forward. Pink from the front is going to go to the back. Next is orange, engulfing it with my pink. Next is yellow. Pink from the back goes front, pink from the front goes to the back. And then there's red. Pink from the back goes forward, pink from the front goes to the back. Orange is next in the middle, being engulfed by pink. So pink is always engulfing the strand that enters the middle. Pink from the back comes forward, pink from the front goes to the back. And so this is how you use 2 strands of crystals or ribbon and you wrap the middle strand of your braid. And what happens is pink or your ribbon or crystals then zigzags inside your braid. So let's go ahead and do this with a mannequin head. On the mannequin head, I grabbed the top section of the head and tied it right here. This is what we'll do our 3-strand braid. I have my yellow, orange, and red, and I went ahead and I strung a ribbon on this hair tie. So it's one long piece of ribbon, and then half of it is in and half of it is on the other side. So to do this braid, I'm going to start with yellow or the left-hand side. I'm going to place yellow in the middle. I'm going to find my ribbon back here. And one will go above and one will go below the middle strand. So one's above and one's below. Next is red. Red, the right-hand strand is going to go into the middle. Now my ribbon, the back ribbon will come forward and the front ribbon will go to the back. Next is orange. Orange will go into the middle. And my ribbon, the back ribbon, will go forward first and my front ribbon will go to the back second. Right hand strand goes in the middle. Back ribbon goes forward first. Front ribbon goes to the back second. Left hand strand goes in the middle. Back ribbon goes forward first. Front ribbon goes to the back second. And then we're going to keep working until we run out of hair. We're engulfing each middle strand with the ribbon. Left strand goes in the middle and engulfing it with my ribbon. Right hand strand goes in the middle, back ribbon goes first, front ribbon goes second. Left hand strand goes into the middle. Here's my ribbon, back goes first, and front goes second to the back. Right hand strand is going to go in the middle. My ribbon, back comes forward, and my front goes to the back. All right, let's do one more. Left hand strand goes in the middle, back ribbon comes forward, front ribbon goes back. So now I'm only going to do one more rotation. Right hand strand goes in the middle, and I'm going to tie the hair right there. And as you can see, when you use two ribbons, you get a really pretty detail of a zigzag in the middle of the braid. And then you can also pull on the sides to make your braid a little fatter. And you can also use two different colored ribbons. And if you do, it will alternate between your two colors inside your zigzag.